Hi, do you know how to use the word like? Here we are going to talk about some usages of it. Like as a verb meaning enjoy. For example, I like swimming before breakfast. We can use would like in offers and requests. For example, would you like another coffee? Like as a preposition can mean similar to. For example, my brother is like my father. When we use like to mean similar to, we can put words and phrases such as a bit, just, very, so, and more before it to talk about the degree of similarity. For example, it's a bit like skiing, but there's no snow. That smells very like garlic. Like as a suffix at the end of a noun could mean similar to. For example, there is something childlike about her. Like in spoken English can be used as a filler. We can use like to fill in the silence when we need time to think about what to say next or how to rephrase what we have just said. For example, I want to like. I think we need to think carefully about it. We can also use like to bring attention. We can use like to bring attention to what we are going to say next. We do this especially when talking about quantities and times. For example, there were like 500 guests at the wedding. We can also use like to ask for an example. In speaking, we often use like what to ask for an example. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope that this lesson was of a little use for you. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Take care.